Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman, and in this lesson we're going to work on playing two-octave scales and arpeggios in 3 different major keys. Let's come to the piano to get started. First, a quick review of our ladders. We've got the ladder of fifths, which you can see here, which gives us sharps. Every time we go up a fifth on the ladder, we're adding sharps to our scale. We also have the ladder of fourths, on which we are adding flats. What does that mean on the piano? Well, on the ladder of fifths, which we'll be using today, remember we start with C major, no sharps or flats. Then when we travel up a fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we wanted to make G our starting note, then we need 1 sharp to make it sound correct. So there's the key of G major. Every time we go up a fifth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if D is our starting note, now we need 2 sharps. Then up a fifth again. When we get to A, we'll need 3 sharps. That's the law of the ladder of fifths. So today we're going to review G major, D major, and A major with 1, 2, and 3 sharps respectively. Let's start with G major. Now to practice our scales today, I'd like to use clusters. In other words, we're going to think in the groups of 3 and 4. Remember, scale fingering goes in groups alternating between 3 and 4 notes. And then our pinky is kind of the loner. That finger 5 will play either the top note for our right hand or the bottom note for the left hand. The rest of it is all groups of 3 and 4. Let's try this together. Use your right hand, play a group of 1, 2, 3, starting on G, then 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we've got that F sharp on top. Then a group of 3 again. Basically the same group we had before, but now up an octave. Another group of 4, then play finger 5 on top. That brings us home to our top G. Then we'll come down with a group of 4, down with a group of 3, down with a group of 4, down with a group of 3. Then let's try the regular scale. Now you try. Good. Pause the video if you need more time to practice that. Otherwise, let's go on to the left hand. Finger 5 is on G. And let's practice our clusters. So we'll start with just finger 5 on low G, then do a group of 4, then do a group of 3, then another group of 4, then a group of 3. And come back down for a group of 4, then a group of 3, then a group of 4, then we finish with finger 5. Good. And then played normally we get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then back, group of 4, group of 3, group of 4, finish with 5. Good. Now pause the video and practice your left hand 2-octave G major scale. If you want to also review your right hand 2-octave G major scale as well, work on left hand or right hand or both, then press play to go on. Good. Now let's review the arpeggios. We'll do a 2-octave arpeggio. Remember, an arpeggio is just taking the G major triad, putting it up an octave, then adding an extra G on top. 1 note at a time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5 on top, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. The left hand goes 5, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. Pause the video, practice both on your own, then press play to go on. Now, pop quiz. What is the next key with 2 sharps? We're going up a fifth on the ladder of fifths. What key would that bring us to? If you said D major, you're correct. D major has 2 sharps. So let's go ahead and start here. We'll practice our groups. Let's do the right hand first. A group of 3. Try this with me. Group of 4. Group of 3. Group of 4. Then Finger 5 plays D on top. Now group of 4, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3. You can always pause the video if you need more time to practice those groups. Then we'll try it normal. As you play, in your mind, think 3, 4, 3, 4. If you think of those groups in your imagination as you play, and as you're finishing one group, try to not just picture the next note, picture that entire next group. As you're shifting to the next group, if you can already see all of those notes from the group in your imagination, your fingers will naturally find them much more easily. Pause the video to work on your right hand D major scale, then press play to go on. Now let's try the left hand. Start with the finger 5 on low D, then try 4, 3, 2, 1, a group of 4, then a group of 3, then a group of 4, then a group of 3. Come back to a group of 4, a group of 3, a group of 4, and then finger 5 finishes it off. Always in your mind, be thinking of these groups. So as I play, I think 4, then 3, then 4, then 3, 3, then 4, 3, then 4. Pause the video, work on the left hand D major 2-octave scale, then press play to go on. Now let's try our arpeggios. Can you point to the 3 notes that build the D major chord? Should be pointing here, here, and here. There's our D major chord, and we'll use fingers 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Now you try. Now, we usually use 5, then 4 when we play an arpeggio with the left hand. But because we have this sharp, the 4 will be too big of a reach. So we're going to use finger 3 instead. 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Now, pause the video and work on this new fingering for an arpeggio. That might be new to you, maybe not. Okay, but we'll use finger 3 on the F sharp. Pause and go ahead and work on the left hand. If you need some extra work on the right hand, you can do that too. Pause to do that, and then press play to go on. Another pop quiz moment. Can you tell me the major key that has 3 sharps? If you said A major, you're correct. If you get stuck on sharps, remember, just climb up your ladder. C is 0, G is 1 sharp, D is 2 sharps, A is 3 sharps. Always just going up fifths. So here in A major, we'll need 3 sharps. Those are the keys that build the A major scale. So let's do a group of 3. Try this with me. Then a group of 4, 2 white, 2 black. Then a group of 3. Then a group of 4. Then finger 5 plays the top key. Then a group of 4, group of 3, group of 4, group of 3. As you practice your scales in these groups, try and memorize the feel and kind of the patterns that you see. Oh, look, there's 2 black, 2 white. When you notice things like that, you'll be able to play the scales so much more confidently, and you'll kind of get to know the feel of each scale. Okay, now when you put it all together, you get. Pause the video and work on your A major 2-octave scale, then press play to go on. As you're practicing your scales, your goal should always be perfect smoothness and evenness. Try not to let the notes sound jagged like this. Here, some are louder and some are softer. Try to make them smooth and even. Okay? Now let's work on our left hand. Finger 5 plays A, then a group of 4, then a group of 3, then a group of 4, then a group of 3. Come back with a group of 3, then a group of 4, then a group of 3, then a group of 4, and finish with finger 5. We put it all together. Finger 4, then a 3, then a 4, then a 3. 3, 4, 3, 4. Pause the video, now work on your left hand A major scale, then press play to go on. Okay, it's time for A major arpeggios. Point to the 3 keys that make an A major triad. If you pointed to A, C sharp, and E, you are correct. Those 3 keys make an A major triad, so we'll go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Just like I was mentioning with our scales, your goal should be to make this smooth, legato, and even, flowing from one key to the next, smoothly and evenly. Repeat it as many times as you need to get each note correct, smooth, legato, and even. Left hand fingering is 5, 3, 2, 1. Once again, because we have a sharp, that makes finger 3 the best choice. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Pause the video, practice right hand, left hand, A major arpeggios, then press play to go on. Great work. You've done a lot of scales and arpeggios today. Now, if you want to finish there, that's fine. But here's a couple of bonus things you can do. If you want to be an amazing pianist, the amazing pianists I know practice their scales and arpeggios all the time. They master them, going all the way up and down the piano in all the possible keys, major and minor. And that's so their fingers can handle any challenge in any key in any piece they come up against. Now, if you want to go the extra mile, another thing you can do is with each key, let's say every day you choose 1 or 2 keys to focus on. So let's say today is G major day. You might use your metronome. Maybe I'll set mine to 96 beats per minute. And I'm going to try and go 2 notes per click. Now, if I like how that sounded, I might stick with it. If I want to work on making it smoother, maybe I'll try it again. Once I'm happy with it, I'll go on to my arpeggio, maybe just 1 note per click. So arpeggios are a little trickier, but if I want to push myself, maybe I'll try 2 notes per click after I've done it once, 1 note per click. After I've done my arpeggios and scale, then I'll go through my diatonic chords from that key, playing and naming each one. G major 1 chord, A minor 2 chord, B minor 3 chord, C major 4 chord, D major 5 chord, E minor 6 chord, F sharp diminished 7 chord, G major 1 chord. Then I'll try my inversions for G major. Do you see the difference between diatonic chords and inversions? Diatonic chords are all root position. I'm just stepping everything up. Inversions are where I take this bottom note and put it on top. It's a totally different concept from diatonic chords. So don't get those two mixed up. Okay? So by adding in diatonic chords as well as inversions, we've got a complete workout for each key. Be sure to do it right hand and left hand. So that's one way you might approach your practicing every day. Choose 1 or 2 keys and go through all of those skills: scales, arpeggios, diatonic chords, and inversions. Great job today playing arpeggios and scales in G, D, and A major. I hope you'll continue to review these scales every day on your own, so you'll be prepared for more advanced playing as you continue to level up your skills. Happy practicing, and see you next time. Okay, Mr. Hoffman, we're coming. Oh, good. I can't take much more of this big stuck at Prestissimo. Monkey knows what to do, don't you, Monkey? Woo, woo. Okay, go for it. Woo, woo. How's that?
No, I don't think that fixed it.
Uh-oh. Woo, woo. Is that better?
This is a little better, but Allegro is still pretty fast. Can we just go for a nice, comfortable moderato?
Woo, woo. Come on.
Whoa, Monkey,
This is really crazy. Maybe we should have left
get that Allegro. Hey,
What's going on?
Come on. I'm glad that's over. I'm finally back to normal. Hey, Monkey, thank you. How did you fix it? You took the battery out? I guess that's one way to do it. Well, come on, Monkey. We better take the tempo indication machine to your repair shop. Come on. Hold on. Maybe you better let me keep that. Trust us, Mr. Hoffman. We're highly trained professionals. Right, Monkey? Hey, watch out for that. Don't worry about a thing, Mr. Hoffman. Monkey, wait up!